Hi there. Let's create a website in under 5 minutes. I'm super happy about this. I have the link to Hostinger down below. So in case you want to use Hostinger, please do well to use the link down below. Also, I have a snippet of a prompt that I'll be attaching in the description down below together with Hostinger. If you need it, please do well to reach out. And if you're new to the channel, please do well to like, comment if you have any questions, and I will answer. Subscribe. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so you get notified whenever I make videos like this. All right. So to create a website, I assume you already have the service you want to create a website for in mind. All right. Now head over to Google and then input the same service into Google. So for example, now we're going to create a website for an SEO service. So I input SEO services, right? You scroll down and you find the site that ranks organically at #1. Now, what we want to do is open that site and then copy the link or the URL of that site. All right. Now, the reason why you're looking for the site at #1 is because a site that is ranking #1 has a great site structure. Site structure is very important when you're creating up a website. All right. So now we copy the link of this website and then we head over into ChatGPT. So in ChatGPT, we are going to paste the link together with the short prompt snippet that I told you I already have in the description. All right. So the prompt simply says, analyze the site and come up with a prompt to create in Hostinger with Hostinger website builder. Right. Now we input the link of the website right here after the semicolon, and then we run. We leave ChatGPT to do its magic, and it's going to analyze it and come up with a prompt for Hostinger website builder. All right. So once it's done, all we have to now do is just copy this prompt. It's going to analyze it totally together with the site structure. All right. So you'll understand later. Now we copy the prompt and then we head into Hostinger. In Hostinger, what we want to do, I'm going back so you understand. All right. So once you're in Hostinger, you go into the websites, and then now we are going to add a new website. We select Hostinger website builder. Please, if you've liked it so far, kindly do well to subscribe. Please become a member of the family. Please become a boss, because you are the boss. Just subscribe, like it, so others people can get access. All right, now we input the brand. We're going to call this brand SEO for the purposes of this training. And now I'm going to input the prompt. After that, I just click create website and we leave it to do its magic. It's doing the magic. It's doing the magic. Doing the magic. The magic. And boom, we have a website. All right. Just like that, we have a website. So basically, this is how you create a website in under 5 minutes. If you do like the video, please do well to like, subscribe, share it if you can, and comment if you have any questions. All right. And like I said, I have the link to Hostinger down below. And so if you ever want to try it or create a website, please do well to use the link, and then you can also create a website. I'll input the prompt down below. As you can see, the website is so beautiful. I input the prompt down below for you, for your reference, and see you in the next one. All right. God bless you. You are the biggest boss. Ciao.